Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure power and backup are handled so the update won't fail. Plug the iPad in or confirm battery is at least 50%. Once done, back up to iCloud or your computer so you can restore if needed. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and remember your Apple ID password. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The device will check for available updates and download the installer when ready. You'll see the update and tap Download and Install. The progress bar shows download status, so be patient. If storage is low, the system suggests removing temporary files or offloading apps. Accept or manage storage now because the installer needs room. Read and agree to terms, then the iPad prepares the update. Once installation begins, the screen will restart and show progress. Make sure not to force shut down or disconnect power while it updates to avoid corrupting the install. After the iPad restarts, you'll follow a few on-screen prompts to finish setup, like entering your Apple ID and adjusting settings. You do this to ensure services reconnect. Verify the new version in Settings General so you know the update succeeded. If the update stalls or the device won't boot, try a force restart first. If that fails, connect to a computer and update or restore using Finder or iTunes. This approach fixes most installation problems without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.